Hello everyone, welcome back to the M Vault with me, Marino Palladino. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That'd be great. Today we're going to be looking at week 6 of my Trading 212 portfolio. I've been doing these videos for a couple of weeks now, and I hope that you're getting some value from these videos to give you an idea of the performance that is happening in the stock market and how it's doing, how it's translating into my personal portfolio. We're also going to be looking at my top stock of the week, also in my portfolio. So sit back, relax, and let's go. So here's the portfolio then. And in this portfolio, we started on £2,325.98, and that was the early hours of Monday, the 15th of March. We have invested £2,142.10 at this point. And in terms of the gain, the return gains, we were plus £183.20, or 8.55%. And so as you can see, the early hours of Monday, there's a bit of fluctuation going on due to, my stocks that I hold in US currency and in euro. But here we see Monday the 15th at 8, and that's when the market's open, in the UK at least. And we started with a real good increase and a really good start to the week in general, and that continues into Tuesday. And at this point, I was thinking to myself, wow, the portfolio's doing really well, stock market's doing well. I do add money though. I do add more money into the portfolio. So that 2,142 does increase. As we go into Wednesday, it sort of dips a bit here, before then going back up during the Wednesday in the afternoon. And that's when we put a bit more money in. At some point, I think here I do put a bit more money. Can't remember if it's this day. And here I'm basically buying a few more stocks. Here it is, to 2,147.02p. And then there it is, 2,172.02p. And so this is money I basically put into the portfolio to buy, some more stocks. It goes flat then for a while into Thursday, and during Thursday into the midday, it sort of then takes a bit of a dip. And this was the worrying part of the portfolio. Again, more money was added, 2,181.66p. But there was a decline here, and everything was going well actually from even when I put the some more money into the into the portfolio. But then it just took a bit of a dive, and from here onwards then we end on the Friday 8 o'clock, finishing on £2,351.81. By this time, we'd invested £2,186.66. So the overall investment, or the overall portfolio value, is still up. So we're still in a plus, by the way. We're up £165.15, or 7.55%, and that's based on the new percentage, of the new stock that the more money I've put in into the market. But in terms of loss compared to last week, we were down £17.88. But the previous week we were on £183.03. So obviously we've lost a little bit of value, and that could be just due to the stocks that I currently hold or maybe the new ones I did purchase that unfortunately did drop towards the end of the week. And this is investing, guys. This is what happens when you put money into the market, and it rides out. You have to ride it out, and that's what I'm doing. When things go a bit down, you just have to ride it out. Don't get your emotions. Don't let your emotions get to you where you sell, and hopefully things will pick up. I think there's a lot of corrections going on at the moment in the stock market, which means things are going up and down. But I think, in the long run, I think hopefully we can pick ourselves up. As we've seen in 2020, 33 days after the pandemic struck, the stocks just went up. They kept going up, kept going up, kept going up. So let's see what happens next week. So the top stock for the week in my portfolio was Volkswagen, and they were up 17.56%, or €33.44. So a really, really strong increase in just 1 week. And it's good if you've got money in this stock at the time that it did go up, because as we can see there, it's really skyrocketed. And this is the performance then for the month, for the 3-month period, and that's for the year period. So the stock has been going up throughout the whole, really, of 2020 and continues to. There was an announcement earlier in last week. I'm not sure what day it was, that they are planning to become the biggest seller of electric vehicles by 2025. So from that news, you can probably gather why the price has skyrocketed. And, a good vote of confidence, really, to see where they do want to go. And that's what I've currently got in there. Not a lot, but, it's one of the stocks that I do like, because I'm a big motoring enthusiast. And so, I do like to pick these car stocks. But being a big group, the Volkswagen, and they've got so many brands in there, you can easily see why, they might become the leader in the electric vehicle segment. So we'll see where that goes. I mean, they're second at the moment in terms of the largest group, motoring group, just behind Toyota. But this is interesting, and see where it goes in the next coming week. Well, there you have it, my friends. Week 6 in my Trading 212 portfolio. I hope the video has given you some value. If it has, smash that like button for me, please. That'd be great. If you're new to the channel as well, please consider subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications. The reason is I'm making these videos on a weekly basis to show you what's going on in my portfolio while it's invested in the stock market. Not only that, though, it's hopefully to encourage you to maybe start considering about, your investment journey and what steps you might want to take. Or you might be already investing, and, I appreciate all the support that you give me in these videos. So I hope that journey is going well for you. So with that said, I'll see you all in the next video. Stay well, stay safe, and God bless you all.